Hello, this is circular economy methodology for encouraging plastic recycling. Plastic waste poses a pressing global challenge with vast amounts accumulating in landfills and ecosystems. This methodology aims to address this issue by empowering plastic recycling projects, particularly within the informal sector, by introducing circular plastic credits as incentives for responsible manufacturers. This framework seeks to incentivize investment in plastic recycling initiatives. And here is our policy workflow, whereby verification and validation bodies and project proponents, they sign up and register on eco registry, and when they get approved, the project participants creates project design documents and fills it in. We have the baseline scenarios, project scenarios, and the project gets added to the pipeline, approved, and they fill in the MRV data and gets reviewed by the VVB. And when it's validated, the project gets submission gets approved, and at the end, the tokens CPCs get issued. Now let's dive into the demo. Yeah, so we launch in dry run, and then we see the administrators page. You can view PCAMs, you can view monitoring reports, and you can view the verifiable credentials and documents, and as well the trust chain, which shows all the verifiable credentials and the steps taken. So we create two more users, which will serve as the VVB and the project proponent. And here we are assigning as the PCM proponent, handling the project, and it can always create new project, fill in project documents, monitoring reports, baseline emissions, everything, fill in the details. We are using test data here. And here we get to fill in the type of activity, which is recycling here, and then also the type of plastic material. So also we can sign in as a VVB, the other user, and it can also fill in his information as a validation and verification body, and waiting for approval. Then we'll go back to the administrator and it can approve or reject. You can also view the verifiable credential. He has approved the VVB and sees the ID there as well approved. Then we'll go back and check the virtual user, and he also can see at his end that he has been approved. Thanks to this methodology policy being implemented on Edera Guardian, more accurate, traceable, and verifiable information will be available for decision makers and civil society, which brings opportunities to remove more plastic waste from the environment and dignify the jobs of millions of people over the world. Circular economy and plastic recycling can help displace the production of virgin materials in dedicated facilities, potentially resulting in avoidance of energy use and greenhouse gas emissions. This methodology includes a guide for calculating greenhouse gas emissions from plastic waste recycling and thereby contributes to Sustainable Development Goal 13 on climate action. Thank you.